A very good morning, dear students. 8th graders, I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are continuing with chapter 5. Next topic, that is from chapter 5. Chapter 5 is your lists and tables in HTML. In this, we are going to start with topic name list. That is on your book page number, it is 61. Page number 61. What do you mean by list? A group of items that are arranged in a sequence is known as list. It means a list contains a number of items that are arranged in a sequential order, that are managed in a sequential order. And HTML provides three types of list when we are doing programming in HTML. First type of list that is available, that is type of ordered list. Second is unordered list, and third type it is known as definition list. Ordered list, as the name suggests, that will arrange the items in a sequential order. All the items will be in a proper sequence, and order of item can be of 5 types. Ordered list support 5 types of list in order. Capital A, that represents uppercase, like I am writing A apple, B banana. This type of list is known as ordered list. And which type of ordered list? It is of uppercase. If I want to write in small letter like A, B, C, that is small. It is also the type of ordered list. Third, we can write in Roman form, small Roman or capital Roman. That is known as caps Roman. And fifth one type that is supported in order list, that is number. So 5 types of list can be created in ordered list. One is uppercase, second is small case, third is small Roman form, fourth is caps Roman form, and fifth one is your number form. So how you will prepare the list in HTML? For preparing a list in HTML, we are using ordered list. Ordered list will start with tab OL. OL means ordered list, and it will close at the last OL. The syntax of writing a ordered list is given as below. First we will start with OL, then we will give the type of list. Which type of data we are writing? It is caps A, small a. So here we can write in a double quotes like this one, or small, any value you can write that is available. Like we can write small a, we can write small Roman, capital Roman, or we can write in number form. This is the type. Any one value will come from these. And start will tell the position. Suppose I am taking the type that is capital A. I am taking the syntax in which I am taking the value capital A as per the syntax. It means I am taking here on behalf of type name that is A. And in start I am writing 4. In start I am writing 4. So what will be the sequence number of first item? First item will be start from 4. And 4 is of which type? Alphabetic type. So count now. A, B, C and D. It means first item sequence number will be D. If I am writing here 2, then first item sequence number will be B. If I am writing 5, then it will be E. So the syntax of order type list is OL, type of item, it's small letter, caps letter, Roman or number value, and starting position. If I am not giving any type, suppose I am not giving any type, in that case by default the type will be number. It means automatically it will take number value, it will not take alphabet, it will not take Roman value. By default it will take 1, 2, 3, 4. One more thing, suppose I am not taking the starting position, I am just taking OL. In that case what will happen? It will starting to take from 1. It will not ask for starting value, automatically it will start from value 1. Now come to the second type. In order list, see now one more thing. In order list I am writing OL. In LI I am writing apple. Here I am writing banana. So afterward I am closing the list with OL. So what will be the result of this list? The result will be 1 apple, 2 banana, because by default type it will take number form and items are apple and banana, both are in sequential order. This is the concept of ordered list. Come to the second type, that is unordered list. Unordered list, that is not in a sequence, that is not in a number, not in alphabet, it is in a bulleted form. Bullets are given. Bullets can be of three types, either square, either disc, either circle. And unordered list will start with UL tab, because we are giving the sequence square, disc and circle, so we need not to tell from where it will start. We can write on behalf of OL, we can write UL. In UL we can write UL type, and in type value can be either it can be disc, either it can be square or circle. This is the type of unordered list, and we need not to write start, because there is no start position 1 2 3 4. That's why I am giving type only, any one value I take from this. And afterwards same thing, in LI I write the item, in second LI I am writing the item, and afterward at last it will complete with UL, unordered list. So what will be the result of this one? The result will be this and this. It is the concept of unordered list. Third type of list, that is definition list. It is little bit different. How it is different? I'll explain through example. Definition list contains total 4 tags. First tag, it is having DL. DL means definition list. Second tag, it is having DH, that means definition header. Third, it is having DD, that is definition data. And fourth is DT, that is definition term. So how we can write? Like I want to make a list salad. In salad, Indian and Western. I want to write Indian salad and Western salad. In that I am writing more items, 1 2 1 2. Now see the concept. Definition list will start with DL. So how I write DL? In DL, data heading, that is Indian. Afterward, data term. In data term I write the items, that is first item and second item. Afterward, DT complete and DH complete. Again second data heading, data term and DL. This is the concept of definition list. Like you are looking in books also. In books, at top heading is written, that is header. Afterward, topic name is written like introduction, that is data term. And data definition, which definition we are writing. It means DL contains, I'll give you one more example. DL contains, I am writing here computer. So DL will start. In DL, data heading will be computer. In DT, it will be tech knowledge, and in DD it will be the topic list. Afterward, DD will close, then DT will close, then DH will close. You will more understand through one example that is given in your book. So ordered list is for making in a sequence of order, unordered is for making the bulleted list, and definition list is used to make the definition of specific topic or term. So let's go through one example of your book that is given. Open your book page number, that is 63. In this example, what is written? See the terms. Program start with HTML. In HTML, head tag is written. In head, title is written. You know very well HTML head title. Afterward, body tag has been started. In body tag, what they have done? P align equal to center. What is the meaning of this? Paragraph we are writing, and paragraph will be aligned in the center position. Paragraph is aligned in the center position. Afterward, font size 6, color navy, list attribute is it is written as a paragraph alignment. It means list attribute will be displayed in the center position as per the output. See the next part now. HR align equal to center, size is 8 and width is 100%. Try to understand, and color is maroon. HR is horizontal rule that will draw a straight line, and the size they have given 100%, it will be for complete page. It is of complete page, and width is that is given as, size is given 6. This is the number of pixels. The width, it means the thickness will be 6, and percentage will be 100. Color will be maroon. This is the concept of HR tag. Afterward, they have written BR. It means we will go to the next line. Next line, it means it will start from here. In next line, what is written? H1 heading 1 is taken, that is ordered list. H1 is the largest heading, so it will be written ordered list. Afterward, what is written? H2 second heading is taken, vegetable item. It is little bit smaller than that because it is H2 type, vegetable item. After headings, the next thing that is given, OL, ordered list. In ordered list, first item is given potatoes, second item is given, that is peas, and there is no types of item given. That's why it will by default sequence number 1 potato, and second item that they are taking, that is peas. This is the result of OL. Afterward, again they have taken, what is written now? OL, S3 heading has been taken. In S3 they have written ordered list attributes. So again heading will be there, ordered list attribute. It is H3. So it is the largest, it is smaller than this, and it is smaller than third one, because H1, H2, S3. After S3 heading, what they have written? OL type equal to, it is written, that is type Roman form. It is written in Roman form, and start position, that is 4. It means, tell me one thing, if a type taking Roman and starting position is 4, so what will be the fourth value of Roman? It will be equal to this one fourth value. It will be equal to this one fourth value. It means the item number will be written as 4th, and item name that is taken, that is tomato and onion. So it is tomato, and 5th is onion. Why taken 4? Because starting position is 4. Next is H1, again heading they have taken unordered list. I again repeat, it is page number 63. In this what they have taken, heading it is fruit items, unordered list it is, and heading is fruit items. Next they have taken unordered list is given, list item is apple and mango. And see once in unordered list they have not taken any type of list. So by default it will take the disk type. And first item that is given as apple, and second that will be mango. It means if type is not given, it will take automatically disk type. Next again heading 3 given, unordered list attribute. Unordered list attribute, and what is the value that is taken? Unordered type is equal to circle. Now they have taken the type and item is pineapple and pomegranate. So now it will take the type circle and item is apple, and second they have taken pomegranate. Afterward again they have taken definition list. What is in definition list? DL, in DL they have taken DH, table heading, data heading it is salad items. So it will be written here salad items. In salad item they have taken data term that is Indian salad. It is the subpart that is Indian. It is the data term. In Indian salad they have taken two definitions. One is cucumber, second is radish. So it will become under cucumber and radish. Next they have taken again data term. Now data term it is imported. So it will come imported. In imported they have taken two items. First one is lithium and second one is peperonian. Lithium and peperonian. It is the concept of all types of list. First type was ordered, second is ordered with a Roman, third was ordered by default was this type, unordered with circle, definition list, items were, definition term was salad item, definition heading is Indian, definition data is cucumber and radish. So this is about your list concept. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 999118890. I again repeat, if you are facing any problem, just contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999118890. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.